Dude, I just discovered something. It does it on these doors too, like on the inside of the house. Listen to this. Dude, is that freaky or what, man? That is so weird. What? God, it's so weird. I like it though. It's like a horror movie sound.